Determine the gate output for the given inputs. This time we have 3 inputs and we have 3 waveforms, and we're supposed to find the output waveform. Rule number 1, you're supposed to look at each waveform and draw the dash lines from any transition. I mean transition from 0 to 1 or 1 to 0. So I have first transition over here. I have another one over here. I have transition at this point. I have from high to low at this time. And I have another transition at this time and at this time. I can say I'm finished with waveform A. Now I can go to waveform B. I have transition from high to low at this point. Okay, I have another transition at this point from low to high. Okay, I'm finished with waveform B. Now let's take a look at the waveform C. I have dash line going down and dash line going up. Okay, I'm finished with the dash lines. Next, I'm supposed to just look at the logic levels. We have 0, we have 1, and we have 0. No matter how many input your NAND gate is going to have, anytime you are going to have at least 1 0 at the input, any input of the NAND gate, output automatically become high. In order to get 0 at the output, all inputs must be high. So I have 2 zeros, so don't think too long. Output is going to be high at this time. I have high, high, low. Again, I have low. At this time, output is going to be high. Another column, I have high, high, high. This time, all inputs have highs. So output, according to the truth table, has to be 0. That's why I'm going to write 0 over here. Another column, I have 0, 1, 1. Please notice that in this column we have 0. Automatically output becomes high. Why becomes high? One more time. Because the truth table says that if at least one of the inputs of the NAND gate has low, output becomes high. That's why I have high over here. Again, I have 0, 0, 1. That's why this is 1. Next, I have 1, 0, 1. And this is going to give me 1. And I have 0, 0, 1. This is 1. I have 0, 1, 1. This is going to give me 1. And I have 1, 1, 1 is going to give me 0. One more time. If all inputs are highs, output is going to be 0, no matter how many inputs you have for the NAND gate. That's why I got 0 at this time, because all my inputs are receiving highs, and because at this time all my inputs are receiving highs, that's why this is 0. Okay, and the rest of them are highs because at least one of the inputs is receiving 0. Now I can draw the square wave. I have high, high, 0. I have high, 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 and I have low over here. And basically I can say that this is the output waveform, which is the solution to my problem.